Let's see what is multithreading in this video. Before that, let's see what is a process. So basically process is a task that is under execution. Generally CPU picks up a task and there will be some queues. It will put the task in queues and then these tasks will be moved to waiting queue. From this waiting queue, one task can be picked and the task is executed. So in this whole process, the task is called as process. And this process have the private memory space and the resources. These are private to that specific process. No other process has the access to them. So now let's see what is a thread. So thread is nothing but a part part of process. So it's a part of a process. Thread can also have memory space and resources. So these resources are shared among the threads. So the memory space and resources are shared among the threads. Process can have multiple threads T1, T2 and T3. So all these threads have the same memory space and resources. So now let's see what is multithreading. Multithreading is also called as concurrency. So we call an application or a web application multi-threaded or concurrent application when it has the ability to manage and coordinate the multiple tasks simultaneously. So you just have to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. So for example, we can take an editor. At a time we can write some uh, write some letters. At the same time we can save it like automatic saver editor, and also WhatsApp. At a time we can receive the messages and send the messages. So these were the examples for multi-threaded environment. So what are the benefits of multi-threaded environment? So the work is done by multiple threads. Because of this, there will be faster execution of a process, less wait time. So if a T1 takes more time, either a T2 or T3 can finish their task, finish their execution fastly, so that we don't have to explicitly wait for T1 once, T2 once, T3 once. So while we are waiting for T1, the T2, T3 are also executing. So we can get the response from the T2 or T3 or from the both. So this task can be performed after these two with some other time. If system have multiple processors like this, then every single thread can execute in the single processors processor 2, processor 3, so that it is more efficient and can give very fast results. Generally, uh, operating systems have the ability to perform multi-threading operations. In their job, operating systems perform this multi-threading. But Java also can implement multi-threading. So we can use Java to implement multi-threading explicitly to our processors, programs, or any projects. So let's see how we implement multi-threading using Java in the next video.